and as promised, I said I would do a first impressions video of my foundation that I bought the other day. So here it is. This is the foundation I'm going to test out today, and let's go for it. So to begin with, I've bought another foundation, and I'm not sure about the coverage, but I'm just going to use it as a BB cream. But yeah, just to moisturise my skin underneath. Just because my Benefit Pores one is running out, and I thought it would be best just to buy a cheap Boots brand and use it as a BB cream underneath. So that's all done. Now for this, and I'm going to use my new Techniques blender that I showed you the other day, which obviously my old one is rusted and it basically needs chuck and I can't savour it now, but here we go. So what I tend to do is I get them foundation and I put some on the back of my hand, and I think every beauty person and normal person who wears makeup does this. As you can see, there's the colour. I don't know if I've got the right colour for my skin though, so I'm just going to test it out, and I'm just going to dabble that on my skin. It's very light, but we will see. Maybe do it in my Jeffree Star mirror so I can see better. I might have to put a bit more on because it's not really giving the coverage that I need. Not like my MAC foundation, which is very awesome and does the trick. So I can't really say if it's gonna cover us for now until my makeup is ready and done. And yeah, it's a bit shiny. It's lightweight, so I think that's a good thing, I suppose. But I need to put a bit more on the back of my hand now. So just do. Oh, this looks promising. I don't know if you can see, it does look a bit shiny, but it's done nothing for my skin at all, this foundation. Which is disappointing in a way, because I thought I would get away with a drugstore one, and I haven't. Unfortunately, I haven't. So I'm a bit disappointed with the product. But the only thing I'd say about it is it just doesn't give the coverage that you need for like every day. Maybe if I turn the lights down you can see what I mean. Will you cover the spot that I've got on my, yeah, I've got a bit of like zish in my lips. It's starting to go, but I just want to make sure that this covers it. I don't like how shiny it's making my skin look. I look like, I don't know, I look a bit like I've been like in the sun too long. So I'm just hoping that that dies down with powder. If I shut off my light here and shut off, oh, then it just doesn't look as shiny. But put them on, and as you can see, I just look like I'm too shiny, and that's disappointing. So I'm just going to go in with the powder and see what happens. It's got rid of some of the shine, not all of it. Would I recommend this product? I've got rid of the shine and I've got rid of some of it, but if you don't like the shiny look, then this product is not for you. I'm not used to shine. Is this product better than MAC? Obviously not. It's a drugstore brand. The colour I got is the lightest one. So yeah, I'll just see how it goes in the night time. It just doesn't tell you the colour. 102 was the colour that I got it in, because my skin's very pale. So yeah, maybe I needed the next colour up for more coverage, but yeah, that's my impression video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe below. So bye guys.